So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short video I will teach you how you can remove a director from an existing company. So just in case you are an accredited agent and you want to assist your client to remove a director from the registered company, that can be done through the post incorporation portal. So in less than 3 minutes, I will walk you through on the practical step-by-step guide. Now, the first thing you ought to do is for you to log into your dashboard, which is the post incorporation dashboard. Now, when you log in under company search, type in the name of the company that you want to remove a director or the RC number. So I'm going to be using the RC number in this tutorial. Good. Then you click on search. You will be directed to the search results. You click on proceed to dashboard. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever we publish great content like this in the future. Now, having directed to the dashboard, then under the service list, you have to scroll down and search for change of director. When you search for change of director, click on it, then click on start change of director. Now you will see the pop-up this dialog box. Click on start process. Now you will see the names of the existing directors of the company. Then you are to select the director that you wish to remove. I'm going to select this first one. This is the director I want to remove. These are the available options. You can remove, you can resign a director, or tenure expiration. So I'll select removal of a director. Good. Then you type the date of the resolution. I'll make it today. Then click on save and continue. You will now be directed to this section. You have to confirm it. The name of the director has been highlighted. Then you type in the what's it called, the date of the resolution as 4th. Then the name of the person that gave you the job, who is one of the directors of the company and also serve as the chairman. So Sunday description, managing director. Then click on save and continue. You now be directed to the second stage, which is a preview stage, for you to take a review of the informations that you have provided, and also you can see the name of the director that we wish to remove. Correct. Then click on proceed to payment. Always copy the remitter ID, is very important, just in case you may experience any challenge at the course of the payment process. So we copy this, then click on remitter. Good. Transaction was successful. Just hold on for a while. You will be redirected shortly. If you are not redirected, click here. Just hold on for a while. You don't need to go out. You'll be directed to where you have to upload the board resolution for the removal of director that your client has given to you. So this is it. I've been directed to this page. Then I will click on upload document. Click on upload. Go to my file. This is the document that's been uploaded. Then you can submit your application. So guys, I've successfully submitted my application for CAC to review and assist to remove a director from the company profile. So that is how simple it is. So guys, if you wish to join my masterclass where you will learn how you can perform both the pre and post incorporation services, then check out the description of this video and reach out to me. The cost for the master class is not expensive. Just with 10,000 naira you can become a CAC pro. You will learn how to carry out different forms of registration like company, business and NGO, and a lot more.